scope. Rudy leave that nigga brain spilling on his new coat. Get a chill when I see the boys, cause I'm selling fuck shit.
It's the whooping nigga in his neck, make his throat drip.
700 bows, got them bust down. Real with the pros, with the rest, cop a bust down. Remember tripping over hoes, don't give a fuck now. We the ones out here with a bag, but they a fuck now. Hey, grandma Boogie Wood, give me a run high. Throwing up vibes through the ceiling when I rush by. Ain't got a beef with no nigga, get you touched now. Mismatch designer blood call via FaceTime.
300 hertz. Chase a nigga down, spark his whip until he smacked the curb. Boy, got his stupid ass dropped, he flying with the bird. 762s ripped through his head, we gave his ass a burn. We the ones dropped that one nigga.
We left him at the start.
I with some ace, gon' fuck around and get your head bust. Then we still pressing niggas, get your man sucked. I know some niggas with some dreads and they untouched. Still pressing niggas, can't believe how we cutting up. 30 rounds sticking out the Glock, how he was acting tough. But how them pussies wanna play it, we ain't gon' let them slide. Them boys always talking tough, they got a lot of mouth. Say fuck cool, Jack boys, y'all stay capping. 30 on the Glock for them niggas that's talking nasty. Damn, how I lose my brother to the streets. This shit fucked up, this shit getting too deep. So I keep the blicky on me, photo ops, this shit sweet. No demons in my head telling me watch what I drink.
Yeah, them boys slid down, but we ain't get hit. Have you ever seen a new school karate chopstick? Nigga face, proper tie the tone, all this big shit.
Look, deuce, make his head twist.
I'm tryna bust the rollie down, I want a plain Jane. Brother said he tryna drop a op, I'm on the same thing. Niggas snitching, I already statements, tryna get attention. I be tripping, tryna wake them up, you just gotta listen. Never listen, I was breaking rules, mama said I'm get him.
Damn, I just put another foe. Fuck what the demons say, I be on go. Hit him with the 38, now he moving slow. Backwood field where I was the only thing I smoke. Round with the Glockiana, tryna up the scope.
You should've came back round with the Glockiana, tryna up the scope. For real. Have him cut that. Round with the Glockiana, tryna up the scope.